This video is about inequalities and linear programming problem. Based on the example, we have the given constraints: x plus 3y less equal 150, 2x plus y less equal 120, x and y both greater than equals 0. For the objective functions, for example, we can call profit function for some common application problems. I write down 3 functions. The goal is to find the Pmax, so like maximize the profit. First, let's define the 2 lines from those 2 inequalities. Then we have x-intercept and y-intercept for those 2 lines. Next, let's find all the boundary points. The first point, P1, is origin 0, 0. The second, the point on the x-axis, this boundary point is, we choose a smaller x value, so 60, 0. For P3, on the y-axis, we also choose a smaller one, so 0, 50. Now let's get to the last point, P4. This is our Python code for solving the intersection point for line 1, line 2. So now let's run. Now we get to 42, 36. So far we have 4 boundary points and 4 lines. If we choose just equal sign, so line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. So it's time for us to graph the region. Draw those 4 lines and shade the region for boundary points. Okay. So we see we have those boundary line, y-axis, x-axis, and line 1, line 2. And we get this region. And all those points, boundary points. Next, we will illustrate our solution is among those 3 boundary points. Here we import the PuLP, this package. This is just for linear programming problem. We use maximize because we found the Pmax in the xy variable. These are constraints. We have 3 profit functions. Now let's see. First we use 25x plus 40y. So we get the answer is 4236. The profit, the maximum is 2490. So this is the answer. This intersection point, we would get to the maximum profit. Now let's try the second profit function. We get 0, 50. So we get 0, 50 is this point. Boundary point is our solution. Let's try the last profit function. 100x plus 10y. So Control Enter. And we get 60, 0. So 60, 0 is this point, the boundary point. You can play around by using different objective function. No matter what function you use, for this example, our solution only among those boundary points except the origin. So only this. I hope this video helps.